Here are some plants that can grow from a single leaf, meaning you can propagate them just by planting or rooting one of their leaves. Known but one snake plant, Sansevieria. Just cut a healthy leaf, let it callus over for a day, and place it in soil or water. Slow to root but very hardy. Number 2 jade plant, Crassula ovata. A single leaf can root and eventually grow into a new plant. Prefers well-drained soil and indirect sunlight. Nothri zedzit plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. You can propagate from a leaf, though it's very slow. Place the leaf in moist soil. Roots and rhizomes will form over weeks or months. Number 4, African violet. A popular plant for single-leaf propagation. Place the leaf in water or moist soil. New shoots form at the base. Number 5, begonia, rex or tuberous types. Many begonias can regrow from just a leaf or even a part of a leaf. Works well with high humidity and warmth. Number 6, kalanchoe. Some types like Kalanchoe digramontiana, mother of thousands, produce baby plants from leaf edges. You can also root a single leaf in soil. Number 7, Echeveria, succulent leaves easily, root and form tiny rosettes. Let the leaf dry for 1-2 days, then place on top of dry soil. Number 8, Peperomia. Some varieties propagate well from leaves, especially if you cut the leaf with a bit of stem. Number 9, Bryophyllum, Patharcata. Easily grows new plants from leaf margins. Place a single leaf on moist soil and babies will appear. Number 10, Sedum, stonecrop. Like other succulents, sedum leaves root quickly, great for ground cover and rock gardens.